When it comes to providing smooth, accurate motion on every project, then look no further than the latest innovations from Digital Wood Carver. Introducing the DWC2636 and the DWC3648. Built for precision, these units feature a ball screw drive on all 3 axes to provide you with the results you're looking for in your carving projects. Now both these units are packed with features, so I invite you to join me as I take you on an informational tour of these innovative CNCs. Both the DWC2636 and the DWC3648 come equipped with a 2.2 kW water-cooled spindle, offering reliability and power for any cutting task. Both units operate on a single-phase 220 volt 20 amp circuit, making installation simple for your shop. The DWC2636 boasts a 26 by 36 inch cutting area, perfect for smaller to mid-sized projects. And for those needing more space, the DWC3648 offers a larger 36 by 48 inch cutting area. Both the DWC2636 and the DWC3648 feature a 8-inch Z travel height, giving you versatility for more complex designs. To enhance your CNC experience, we offer a 17-inch flat-screen touchscreen computer. This sleek and easy-to-use interface runs the motion controller software, giving you full control at your fingertips. From loading your designs to managing complex cuts, the responsive touchscreen ensures smooth operation every step of the way. For even greater precision, we also offer a wireless hand wheel accessory. With this handheld controller, you can jog the CNC machine with pinpoint accuracy, allowing for easy adjustments right where you need them. Whether you're positioning the tool for a detailed cut or adjusting the machine's movement, the wireless hand wheel gives you the precise control right in your hand. Pair your Digital Wood Carver CNC with these essential accessories for an unbeatable combination of power, control, and convenience. Both the DWC2636 and the DWC3648 offer operating speeds of 200 to 300 inches per minute, providing you with the speed and the power that you're looking for in your carving projects. Whether you're looking for precision, power, or flexibility, Digital Wood Carver has you covered with the DWC2636 and the DWC3648. And with that, there's only one thing left to ask yourself. Are you ready to take your craft to the next level?